Alright, so this is the Infinix ZERO 5G, and I've been with this device for a while now. As a matter of fact, if you have been following this channel, this phone won't be new to you. I started linking this phone since last year November, which is about 3 to 4 months before its official release. And there are still many leaks coming, the likes of the Infinix Note 12 series and 011 series. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the post bell so you don't miss out. Now back to the Infinix ZERO 5G. This phone will cost you $280 US, which is approximately 169,000 naira. This phone is Infinix's latest flagship, and it happens to be the first device from the company to support 5G network. So in this review, I'm going to show you 4 solid reasons to buy and one problem that Infinix should urgently fix. Starting with the design, this is one of the sickest Infinix has ever made. The camera model is bumpy with an edge that curved into the body, making your hand to rest perfectly well while holding the smartphone. The color I'm holding here is black. There are other 2 colors, orange and blue. The back of the phone is reflective, but don't fall for it. It is made of plastic and easily attracts fingerprints. That's why I would recommend you to always use the case. Actually, even when I was leaking the smartphone, I never expect the design to be this solid. It is premium, kind of. It is sleek and thin. Overall, Infinix got it right when it comes to the design. The display is 6.7 inches Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The reason Infinix used IPS LCD is to cut down the cost. AMOLED display would have been better, but that would have added to the cost as well. So in a bid to cut the price below $280, Infinix went with IPS LCD, which is quite understandable and bomber at the same time. At this price point, the Infinix ZERO 5G has decent recommendable cameras. The dot-in display houses the 60MP selfie camera, which can take good pictures and also record video in 4K resolution. Perhaps the only caveat here is the portrait mode. The edge detection is very poor, although it's something software update could fix. On the back, there are triple rear camera system, a 48MP main camera, 2MP depth sensor and 30MP telephoto 2x optical lens. Now let me take some time to explain some details here. The 48MP main camera is excellent for photos, not only because of the crispiness, but because of the real skin tone detection. However, when you switch to the portrait mode, which is the same as the telephoto camera, the color shifts, it changes and it becomes obvious, it is noticeable. The picture is still clear and sharp, but now overly saturated. The color is now too much. That is why I prefer using the main camera most of the times. The back camera, just like the front camera, can also record video in 4K resolution. Now, when it comes to the performance, the Infinix ZERO 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 5G chipset. This is the primary reason I recommend the Infinix ZERO 5G. The Dimensity 900 chipset is very powerful and so fast and good in performance. And remember, this is the first 5G device from Infinix and they got it right. So if you compare this Samsung Galaxy A52, Redmi Note 10 Pro, or even the Redmi Note 11 series, the Infinix ZERO 5G performs better than them easily, and it does so smoothly without questioning how good it is in performance. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh. It took me for a full day with about 25% left in the evening to charge. And then you have 30W fast charge to quickly juice it up. Now, if you remember earlier in this video, I said there is one major problem Infinix should fix. And I think Infinix need to pay attention to this, and that is software upgrade. This smartphone will run Android 11 out of the box and most likely will remain Android 11 all the time. And then you have the SOS 10 skin software that I've talked about already. You can check somewhere here to watch the Infinix SOS 10 skin software features. The lack of major software upgrade is a problem. The reason is because the competition is getting tougher. The likes of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 series definitely will give support of 2 years major software upgrade. And then Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is somewhere around the corner, most likely will get launched anytime from now. And then the A53 5G is set to have software upgrade. Now, if we should apply Samsung latest updates that they'll be upgrading their smartphone for 4 years major software upgrade, I don't know if that applies to the A series, but if it does, that means the A53 will have an edge over many other smartphones in that price category. So if Infinix could really get it right and fix this major software upgrade issue, then the Zero 5G would be one of the chef kiss device in the market. That will boost their ego in the competition, and it will be good for the company overall. Overall, I'll still say the Infinix ZERO 5G is a good smartphone. Yes, I will recommend it. You know, in my next videos, I'll be making a comparison of the Infinix ZERO 5G to the likes of the Redmi Note 11 series and Tecno Pova 5G. I will also compare it to the Galaxy A53 5G that is forthcoming. So remember to subscribe and turn on the post bell so you don't miss out. And also follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook at MyD, so you don't miss out on the forthcoming comparisons and also on the forthcoming leaks on Infinix Note 12 series, Tecno Phantom 11 and Infinix ZERO 11 series. 5G is the future, and this is a good way for Infinix to start. I'll see you guys around in my next one.